Hey guys, today we're going to talk about volumes of prisms. So remember, volume is how much stuff you can put inside a three-dimensional figure. Okay, which is exactly what it says right there. The volume of a three-dimensional figure is how much stuff will fill up that space. Now, we have a general formula for the volume of a prism or cylinder, and it's volume equals area of the base times the height of the prism, or V equals B times H. Excuse the rough voice today. Okay, you want to keep this formula right here in mind because we're going to use it to find the volumes of all kinds of different things. All right, for example, a cylinder. Okay, each different type of prism or cylinder has its own specific formula. So we're going to start with this cylinder here. The area of the base, obviously this is the circle. So we're going to take the circle area formula, we're going to plug it in here. So that's going to be pi r squared times h. That is a specific formula that works only for a cylinder. General formula works for any prism or cylinder. That formula only works for a cylinder. Now the nice part is it works for every single cylinder exactly the same way. So if we wanted to find the volume of this, we would just plug in the radius, which would be 12, square that, and multiply by the height. So 12 squared is 144 times 9. The volume is going to be 1,296 pi. Exactly. Now we want to approximate that, so we're going to multiply times 3.14. We're going to get 4,069.44. Now, volume is always measured in cubic units, so it's cubic millimeters. And I wrote it like this because I have both answers here, the approximate, or the exact, and the approximate. Okay, so cylinder is very simple. Okay, a box. Well, the base is different on a box. The base is length times width. So we change the volume formula to length times width times height. That's the specific formula for a box. So we go ahead and plug in the information we have. 12 times 19 times 14. It doesn't matter what order you do it in, it's all the same. So 12 times 19 times 14. This comes out to be 3,192 cubic inches. Boxes are super easy. Actually, volume is much easier than surface area because it's just a lot less busy work. Okay, a triangular prism. Again, it's the same general formula, except that this time the base is a triangle. So instead of B, we're going to put in 1/2 B times H. That's the capital B, that's the area of the base, times H. Now, you'll notice that I've got a capital H and a small h. The reason I have those is those are two different things. The capital H is the height of the prism. That's the distance between the two bases. The little h is the height of the base. So that would be this right here. Okay. Notice I have a big B and a little b. This is the area of the base. This is the length of the base of the base. So that would be this right here. So now we just plug in the numbers. So the base, the length of the base would be 0.9. The height of the base would be 1.2. And the height of the prism would be 2. Okay, and then it's just simply a calculator question. 0.5 times 0.9 times 1.2 times 2. Volume comes out to be 1.08 cubic millimeters. This is a very tiny little prism. Make sure you understand the difference between this B and that B this h and that h. Okay, they're different things. Okay, these are the easiest ones of all because I don't have a formula to give you for the area of the base, so I just have to tell you what the base is. The base is 128 square inches. So volume equals area of the base times the height. Well, the area of the base is 128, and the height is 8. So I just got to multiply that together. 128 times 8, 1,024. And that would be in cubic inches. Okay, we're going to do 1 through 27 odd in class. I'll see you guys in class. Bye.